Namaskar. Thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Vineet Madkaikar and I am a practitioner of Hatha Yoga since last 5 years. So today I have made this video to give you a brief about what is yoga. Many people understand yoga is all about doing those impossible looking postures of twisting your bodies, reclining backwards, balancing your body on one leg. That is what yoga is to them. Some people believe that sitting in one place and doing those breathing exercises and meditating is what yoga is all about. But the truth is, these are some of the techniques with which you can achieve the aim of yoga. Today, we are so much dependent on the outside world that when things don't go as per our plan, we are highly disappointed. And as soon as things start working our way, our level of happiness goes up. So yoga is a science with which you can maintain the internal environment in such a way that these outside situation and consequences has absolutely no impact on us. You will be able to maintain inner peace, happiness, and inner joy in such a way that naturally the best of your abilities will flow out. Our human system is made up of 3 bodies. The first is physical body, the mental body, and third is pranic body. Currently, these bodies are not working together. But when they start working together, miraculous things can be achieved by us. So yoga is a tool with which you can make these bodies work together. Now, with the help of yoga, you can not only make them work together, but upgrade and elevate and refine these bodies in such a way that your capabilities will reach the highest level of brilliance, which you have never ever imagined before. Yet, the aim of yoga is even deeper, to unite you with the mere universe. Now, what is this union? And whose union with whom? Let's say, for example, you know someone called me and you know someone called you. This me and you can be further extended into group of people, communities, and nations. Fundamentally, this me and you are the root cause of all the conflicts in the universe. So the whole idea of yoga is to give you an experience at a point where there is no such thing as you and me. And when you reach that state of point and start experiencing this, that is the highest level of spirituality. So any process which helps you create this union is yoga. So I hope you get a better understanding of what is yoga. Yoga is not a practice. Yoga is not an exercise. But yoga is a lifestyle. So with the help of yoga, you may not be a superhuman, but it will make you realize that being human is super. Thank you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.